Hey everyone, welcome to Credit Tips Part 2. If you haven't seen Part 1, go on back, check it out, come on back here and meet us in Part 2. For everyone else, here we are. You have your credit reports, you've gotten those. So what to dispute? The first thing we're going to work on is personal information. This is the section where they keep your names, your addresses, your employers, phone numbers, all of that stuff. They keep all that information in there. The only thing that you want listed in this section is your legal name and your current address. Make sure your date of birth is correct. Make sure your social security number is correct. Yes, this can show up as wrong on your report. Double check and make sure. The only thing you want on there is your legal name, your current address. You don't need the employers. You don't need the phone numbers. Dispute all of that and get rid of it.